Welcome to the episode 12 of the complete two-bedroom house series. From my previous episode, we have managed to create these outstanding elevations. As you can see, this is a front elevation. The way it looks is really presentable. So if you have not watched my previous tutorial, I will highly recommend that you first watch to practice, and then you will come and follow me on this tutorial. I will provide the link of those previous tutorials in the description of this video. By the end of this tutorial, you will learn how to create an outstanding roof plan. That is called the roof layout. Now, what we are going to do, let's first go to the 3D. Then, from here, you go to the project map, and then you scroll, you find this 3D, and then generic axonometry. That's in terms of the axonometry view. Right click, go to the 3D projection settings. You see, this is a custom axonometry, so you choose the top view, and then make sure your settings are looking like this. Then, okay, yeah, because our main interest is on the top view. Then, from here, right click, you go to the new 3D document from 3D, and then you can just give it an ID, but it doesn't matter for now. The name is the roof. Let's call it the roof like that. Then create. You see, this is a perfect roof. Then right click, go to 3D document settings. So under the uncut elements, you see it is a surface, so let's change it to uniform pen. And then for cut elements, let's also check it like this. Then for shadow, let's enable shadow. Then the shadow polygons, let's choose the 25% field. Transparency, I think even let me use a window background here. Then, okay. You see now? This is the view that we really wanted. You see? It's showing shadows here. You see? And then shadow. You see? It's really presentable. So here, we can decide to put dimensions here, but me, I normally copy this view to the worksheets. So Control A, Control C. You see this worksheet, right click, new independent worksheet. So here the name is now the roof layout. We put now the exact complete name, roof layout plan. The ID doesn't matter for now. Then, okay, create. Then Control V to paste. Then make sure original location is selected. You can just keep the current view and then you paste. You see, like that. Then click outside. So don't forget to save your file by pressing Ctrl S always. So in case you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. Then now we need to put some arrows that is going to show the flow of water. Now we are just going to use a fill tool, and then the fill type, let's use the foreground. Then the foreground pen, let's use I just decide to use this one, the one that we are using for dimensions. Then now this layer is hidden here on this view. Now let's change the current view to, let's use elevations like this, so that the 2D drafting it can be visible. And then let's use the polygonal method. click, and then you hover around this midpoint like this, and then now let's just make it a little bit nice. Just approximate in the middle like this. Make sure you're inserting nodes. Make sure this option for insert node is selected. Let me move it here a little bit, and then this one from middle, and then let me place it here like this. Then this one select, and then make sure you right click, display order, bring to front, then Control D, you place here like this. Then this one, Control Shift M to mirror a copy, and then make sure you start from the middle, and then you give it an orthogonal direction. You click here like this. Then this one, Control Shift E to rotate a copy, and then make sure it is orthogonal. So this one you bring it here straight, then Control D, then you place here like this. Now Control Shift M to mirror a copy, then Control D to adjust it properly like this, and then Control Shift D to drag a copy. This one you place it here like this. Then for now the scale of these markers, they are a little bit big. So what you have to do here, go to the fill, Control A, then let's select these elements one by one. Click, press and hold the Shift key, you click on this one, then you click here, then Control K to resize, then click OK. So just choose any reference point. Yeah, now it's okay. Zoom, and then this one you Control D. Make sure it is orthogonal. You are moving it orthogonal. Then this one also. Let me zoom properly. Control D. Let me bring this one here. Let me bring this one here. Yeah, at least now it is now better. Make sure it is straight, orthogonal, like this. Now you go to the floor plan, and then you go to the polyline. So let's draw a hidden line. Let's use the double dash double, and then you can just use this color one for now. You can change it later. Make sure it is rectangular. Method of construction, and then place it here like this. So this center line, you select, you press Ctrl X to cut, and then you go to the worksheets, that is the roof layout plan. Then make sure the current layout is elevations, and then Ctrl V. You see, it is now in the exact position. You click outside here. But now let's adjust this part here. The distance it is 1200, and then this is 4200. So we go to the worksheet. So what you have to do, press and hold Alt, you click here, then you choose the polygonal method of construction, you click. So this is here 4200, you enter, then you make sure it's straight, you click here like this. And now this one, you click here, then you bring it by 1200, enter. And let me even project it here to make it easy for us to work with it. So this line, let's create the node. You click at this point and then make sure insert new node is selected. Press and hold the shift key, and then you click, make sure you hover around until you get this reference here like this. And now this one is select, this one, click here, make sure move node is selected on the pet palette, then you click here like this. So from here now it can allow us to offset the edge. You see? So instead of going back again and doing another line, it's a time wastage. So we can just edit things like this. So for now, let's change this line weight to 0.60 because it is showing the center line. You see? Now let's add dimensions. You go to dimension tool. You change it from the elevation to linear. And then you click here. And then you click here like this. Right click, okay. Then you place. Then this one you click. Make sure you are clicking on this line. You can just double click and then you place the dimension. As simple as like that. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And then double click, you place. In case you have any question, please let me know in the comment section. I would really appreciate. Also, if you enjoyed my channel, if you enjoyed my content, please give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Like that. So now we are through with this roof layout. So let's place it in the layout sheet. That's the layout book. So the roof layout plan, you go to the project map, click drag and drop like that. You see? Select it, you go to the setting dialog, and then let's start with the frame. Let's fit the frame to drawing. Title, no title, like that, and then okay. Then you grab it from this point, make sure it is on the drag option, like that. You see? So the scale, this is a scale of 1 into 100. We can use a scale of 1 into, let's try to use scale of 1 into 60. Let's increase it. 60 is big. Let's use the scale of 1 into 70. Yeah, 70 is okay. Then click here, make sure offset all edges is selected, like that. Don't forget to save your file by pressing Ctrl S. As simple as like that. We have come to the end of this tutorial. So once again, I would really like to appreciate those who are following my content and also those who have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, it is your time today. Kindly do so. I would really appreciate